Hey, hi, hello, dear friends. Welcome to Roshan's English World, your ultimate guide to mastering conversations. Do you struggle to start conversations? Feel nervous while speaking? Want to sound more confident and natural? If yes, then you are in the right place. In today's session, we are diving deep into the art of effective conversation, how to start, how to maintain, and how to end a conversation smoothly. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just someone looking to improve social skills, this class is for you. So get ready to boost your confidence, improve your speaking skills, and make every conversation impactful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing lessons. Let's get started without any late.
Okay, dear friends, let us start today's video in which we can watch a conversation which took place between a Chaiwala and a customer in a funny manner. Let us see in this. A customer went to the tea stall and asked like this: Brother, give me tea. Sir, which tea? Spiced, ginger, cardamom, or one with love? Love tea? Is this a new flavor? Yes, sir. One sip and your heart will bloom like a garden. Just give me a normal tea without the filmy dialogues. Sir, if there are no filmy dialogues in tea, is even a tea? Fine, give me one strong tea. Here you go, strong tea. And if you want love, it's complimentary. No thanks. I'm already carrying the pain of one love. Both laugh as the customer takes a sip of the streaming. This is the small and a simple funny conversation happened between a customer and a tea stall owner.
Okay, dear all, as we wrap up today's session, remember that conversation is more than just words. It's about connection, understanding, and expression. The more you practice, the more confident and natural you will become. Keep engaging in meaningful discussions, listen actively, and don't be afraid to express yourself. Every conversation is a chance to learn something new. If you found today's class helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful lessons. See you in the next session. Until then, take care. Goodbye.